Hello, my name is Mads. I'm a technician at Insight Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to password reset IBM SAN switch 2498B40.
Power on the switch and hit the escape button.
Choose option 3, enter command shell. Now insert print environment. Type set environment OS load option single, hit enter, type boot, hit enter. Then you type the remount command. Be especially aware of the space, hit enter. Then we enter the mount command.
And then we type the command to reset the password.
Now reboot the switch, and afterwards all the password will be reset.
And then you can log into the switch with default user root, password for brand, simple as that.